Hello, my name is Ogaga David, and today I am going to share the use of calcium, magnesium and sulfur in your plant. So I will start with calcium, also known as the cell wall builder. Have you ever wondered why your plant have what we call blossom end rot? All the new leaves and the new shoot, they are being deformed. It is as a result of lack of calcium. So calcium is responsible for building a strong cell wall and cell membrane. It also involves in cell division and also root growth. So you can think of calcium as a cement that holds the cells of your plants together. Now, because calcium is an immobile element, you discover the symptoms, the deficiency of the symptoms at the new shoot of the plant. So first of all, what you will observe is the new leaves will be deformed, they will be coiled, and they will be stunted. Another thing you will discover is dying of the new tips or the bud tips of your plant. Then the most common one is blossom end rot for tomato, pepper and squash. So you can correct calcium deficiency by using calcium amendments such as eggshells. You can use snail shells. Also, you can use what we call calcium nitrate fertilizer. So that will help to amend calcium. Now, because calcium is an immobile element, it always needs moisture on your plant for it to move. So if there is lack of moisture, at the end of the day, your plant will not be able to uptake calcium. Next is magnesium. So have you ever noticed yellowing in between the veins of the old leaves of your plant? This is as a result of magnesium deficiency. So magnesium plays a very important role because it is called the chlorophyll center. Magnesium is the Ng block of the photosynthesis machine, which is essential for chlorophyll molecule. Now, chlorophyll molecule is responsible for photosynthesis. Now, remember that photosynthesis is the process whereby plants manufacture their own food using light, chlorophyll, and water, making it very essential for the plant. It also involves in enzyme activation and energy transfer in between the plant. That is the work of magnesium. Now, what are the symptoms of magnesium deficiency? So you discover that they are yellowing in between the veins of the old leaves of your plant. That is how you know that your plant is suffering from magnesium deficiency. So how do you correct it? You can simply correct it by using a magnesium fertilizer such as magnesium sulphate, Epsom salt, or other magnesium fertilizer that are available in the market. So you can get that and correct magnesium deficiency. Now, notice that magnesium is the center of how your plant turns light into food. The next is sulfur. So if you want a plant with strong immunity and an incredible flavor, then you don't have to ignore sulfur. Sulfur plays a very important role in amino acid and protein synthesis. It also helps in enzyme activation and chlorophyll formation. Sulfur is important because it has the compound to give your plant strong immunity against diseases, and is also responsible for the aroma for garlic and onion. So how do I know my plant is suffering from sulfur deficiency? So sulfur deficiency shows at the new leaves. They will be yellowing at the new leaves of your plant. This is a key differentiator between it and nitrogen. Remember, nitrogen, it starts from the older leaves, but for sulfur it is at the younger leaves, that is the top leaves. That is where you start seeing the yellowing. Another symptom is stunted growth and thin stems. So the stems of your plant will be thin, they will not be thick and lushy. You can easily correct sulfur by using sulfur based fertilizer. So you can correct it by using ammonium sulfate. Even magnesium sulfate can be used to correct it, or other sulfur based fertilizers. Now remember that sulfur is the most important ingredient that had that beautiful aroma to garlic and onion. So this is the end of the video. Click the like button, like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and share to other plant lovers like yourself. Till the next video, my name is Ogaga David.